Hi guys, Pickbeard here, and today we're going for the Yale 841 5-pin tumbler. Quite an old lock this one, got it off eBay, and there it is. Nice little lock. Show you the keys for the lock. There's the keys, bitting's not tricky really, and I'll show you in working order. There we go. Out halfway. Going to zip it and rake it open. Might even do a bit of SPP. We'll see. So first up is the City Rake from Peterson. Light tension. Just dance it in over the pins. There we go, in one way, pick tape them. So that's the Peterson done. Next is the triple peak from Southord. This one, because it's got quite deep peaks on it, you don't have to push as hard as the City Rake, he says. Keep those setting a pin there. I can do this a lot quicker. There we go. Picked. So that's the triple peak Southord. Locked up again. Capiche, triple peak. In. Picked open. Capiche, triple peak. Sorry, Capiche, I'm not keeping it very tidy, that one. Southord snake rake, worm rake, whatever you want to call it. Just a little bit of a rocking motion. I think I'm oversetting the pins on that one. I'm trying to get it so you guys can see. Go. That's that one. Lastly, we'll go with, I'm not saying they're rubbish, but we'll go with a unpolished, really cheap Gozo pick. Try zipping it from the back. There we go. Pick tape them. I'll also try SPPing with that pick. See how we go. Locked up. Oh yeah, doing about 4 minutes. It's not bad for 5 picks. I think it's only like one pin that I've really got a pick in this. It seems to be. Everything else seems to be sort of by the shear line. So I think it's like pin 3. Might have to catch a couple as you go in, but it's negligible really. You can, like I think I've just done there, overset it. But I think you guys get the idea anyway. It's not the best look in the world. It's one of the nicest looking ones, don't get me wrong. But like anything, a simple rake and she's open really. Looks like that. So thanks for watching guys. Oh, I better show you back in working order really. Prove there's no messing around. So yeah, nice looking lock, but security wise, bit easy. So thanks for watching guys. Pig Bed out.